Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here again with a new piece of equipment. Well, we're adding a new piece of equipment to our studio, which is the Akai MPK mini, and this is a Mark 3 version. As you know, my videos are very short. I just show you what they look like. For those who want to see, just see what it looks like. So let me show you what it looks like. Oh my god. Here we go. So as you know, this is our manual. You don't have to pull out that right now. So that's our manual. It's so little and cute. Oh my god. It is so cute. Let me get off the plastic for you. It is so cute and handy. So this is it, guys. So cute. Let me pull out the plastic for you. Oh, sounds great. So this is it, guys. This is so nice. So nice. These are firm, guys. So this is it. Back part. Mostly plastic. So this is it. And so beautiful. You know, we get our USB. So basically that's what we get with it. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy watching it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.